Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. Friends, many of you have received exam mail from Deloitte. So now it is very important for you to solve previous year question, and that too most repeated type of question which will be asked in your examination. Concept wise it will remain same. Let us start with question number 1 here, and I will also tell you how you will be able to get the previous year question of Deloitte. 8 kilograms of sugar costing rupees 16 per kg is mixed with 4 kilogram of sugar costing rupees 22 per kg. What is the average price of the mixture? Okay, now see, slowly as we will move ahead, friends, so the level of the questions will start becoming little difficult. Okay, so these are the questions which will be really taking a lot of time to solve. So we will see how we can make these problems easier. Anyway, now question number 1 says here 8 kilogram of sugar costing. So here it is 8 kilogram of sugar costing. The price is nothing but, so this is nothing but, the price is nothing but 16 per kg. And then what they are telling, 4 kilogram of sugar costing 22 rupees per kg. What is the average price? It's very simple, friends. Average will be nothing but sum divided by number. Same thing will hold good here also. Now 8 kg and 16 rupees per kg. So what is the total price? Sir, it is 8 into 16. Then 4 kg, and what is the price per kg? 22. So total price will be what, sir? 4 into 22 and divide by number. So total amount of sugar 8 plus 4, that is nothing but 12. So 128 plus 88 and then divided by 12. Okay, so this is nothing but 8 16 and 216 by 12. So 216 is nothing but 6 cube. So this 12 I can write 6 into 2. So this will go by 36 times and 2 will divide this by 18 times. So here any option? Yes. So rupees 18 will become the correct answer, right? So this way you will be able to solve the question easily. Next, before I move to question number 2, friends, I just wanted to tell, many of you are telling that, sir, you told us the resume format and our resume got rejected. So few things I wanted to tell you here, friends. See, I did not tell you the resume format, that this is the resume format which Online Study for You is having for Deloitte. Deloitte only said that this is the resume format which you have to follow. Okay, who said? Deloitte. Deloitte has released one resume format that I told to you. Okay, fine. Because this is released by Deloitte only, I literally don't know what is the format Deloitte uses. Deloitte only released, that link is also there. I can put you in the description. Second thing, and whatever we explained, that this is a resume format, photo, then here your contact details, email ID, LinkedIn, and then your education, things like that, and then your all other things whichever I explained you here. And the same resume has got selected in Deloitte as well. But for some of you, or maybe many of you, the resume did not get selected. I got rejection mail, but my friend with the same resume got selected for the exam. So it is very clear. This year, Deloitte, what they have done, not only resume, they have also checked the skills, whatever is there in your resume. There are some people who have already written NLA 1, Gurukul. They are writing, they have applied for NLA 2, they are also rejected. So there are a lot of factors which company decides. See, now if you blame either our YouTube channel or any YouTube channel, nothing is going to change. Okay, because whatever we tell, we show with you with the proof that this is what Deloitte has given the link. It's not our link. Okay, it's Deloitte link. So please try to understand that there are many other factors which Deloitte has considered this year. Okay, so you should better check with Deloitte that, sir, this is the resume you had instructed us to have like this, and now my resume is not selected. Can you tell me the reason? I can't tell you the reason. We are a YouTube channel and we will tell you what companies tells us. Clear? Next, second question. So if MSA obtained a score of 492 out of 600 in a game, calculate her percentage of Miss MA. So a percentage of a score in that game. Now total is 600 and how much I am getting? I am getting 492. If you have to calculate percentage, multiply with 100, that will be your answer. 2020 cancelled. 4 8 ja 68 and 6 8 ja 68 and 6 2 ja 12. So 82% will be the correct answer. Okay, now you might be saying, sir, the problems of Deloitte are very, very easy. So let me tell you one very important thing. The problem of Deloitte, okay, so there will be easy question, okay, there will be easy question, there will be moderate question, there will be difficult level of the question. Now, it's up to you how you pick the easy problem and solve that. So that is what you have to learn, and that's what we teach you every time, that you have to understand what kind of question. If somebody is not doing this question and if somebody is trying to do this kind of question, obviously what you are going to do is you are going to waste your time. In 1 minute you can solve the easy problem 2-3, whereas the difficult problem you will be able to solve only one. So you have to score as much as possible. That you need to understand here. 6 liter of 20% solution and 4 liter of 60% solution are mixed. What is the concentration of the mixture? Okay, so friends, 6 liter and 4 liter total is nothing but I have total 10 liter is there. Okay, now if you have to calculate the percentage, I will multiply by 100. 6 liter of 20%, so 6 into 20 by 100, 6 into 20 by 100, it is nothing but 12 by 10, 1.2 plus 4 liter of 60, so 4 into 60 by 100, so this 0 and 0 cancel, 2 5s are, okay, or you do one thing, 24 by 10, it is 2.4, it is 2.4, that's all. So 10 anyway cancelled, 3.6 into 10, that is nothing but 36%. Is there any option? That will become your correct answer. So these are called easy problem, where you just have to read. 30 seconds is more than sufficient to solve this question. Now, before I go and solve the next question, friends, I just wanted to tell you, so if you are looking for Deloitte previous year question for your practice, if you are looking for Deloitte NLA previous year question for your practice, then what you have to do? So you have to go to our website onlinestudyforyou.in, Deloitte NLA PYQ 2025. We will be also putting this link in the video description, and there you can go all the pattern. Okay, so here you can see the number of questions, English, computer fundamentals, coding section. Okay, and then each and everything will be updated here. So previous year question, that you will be easily able to solve it and you will be easily able to understand it. Okay, now so this link will be there in the description. Anyway, now let us try to solve next question. In a certain code BOLYPROPYLENE is written as ENE, okay, PYLROO, something is missing, ENEPYLROOLYB, one letter is missing. Let me try to find it out. While typing, this mistake would have happened, so I'll just cross verify. So just give me a minute. Okay, where is the question? Come on. Okay, just a minute. So POLY, okay, so BOLY, that is there, then PRO, that is also fine, PRO, PY, okay, LENE, this is fine, is written as, now I think there is a mistake here, so that we will see ENEPYLROOLYB, E, P, Y, L, P, Y, L, P, R, O, O, L, Y, B. So number of letters are same, 5 and 5, 10 and 3, 13. So this is 5 and 5, 10, 13. So 5, 5, 10, 13. Then where it is less. So E, N, E, P, Y, L, R, O, O, L, Y, B. So 5, 5, 10, 5, 5, 10. So P, Y, L, P. Okay. So here basically one letter is missing. I have missed it here. P, R, O, O, L, Y, B. Correct? Fine. Now what you have to do, you have to find out the code for A, L, L, O, P, O, L, Y, P, L, O, I, C. No problem. So first try to understand what is the logic behind this. So you see E, N, E and E, N, E. So this first is written here O, I, C. Then next you see P, Y, L. So this is P, Y, L. So here next is nothing but Y, P, L. So Y, P, L. Okay. Then next P, R, O, and here you can see P, R, O. So next is nothing but here P, O, L. So P, O, L. Okay. And P, R, O till it is done. Okay. So E, N, E, P, Y, L, P, R, O. And then we have B, O, L, Y, right? So O, L, Y here. So here what we will do? I, L, O. So I, L, O. And the last letter is A. Now you have to search for this. So O, I, C, Y, P, L, P, O, L, L, P, O, L, L. Okay. And I is not there. 3 L. How many L we have? 1, 2, 3. 4 L are there. So we have 1, 2, 3. O, I, C. Okay. And here, okay, P, O, L, and then L, L, O. L, L, O. So L, L, O. So here triple L. So option D will become the correct answer for this particular problem, right? I hope it is clear for all of you. So this was a easy problem, but see, actually what happens in the exam, no? The same thing whatever I did here. What I did? So I did a mistake in writing one letter, and then it will be like, little time consuming to find it out where is the mistake. And that is same thing, because this problem is very, very easy. There is nothing is there in this particular problem, but the only thing why they gave is, so how much is our presence of mind, and if you do a small mistake, it will take time, okay, to identify that what was your mistake. Anyway, next problem. This is nothing but coding decoding problem. So we have C, E, G, we have F, H, G, we have I, K, M, and we have L, N, P. Now what you have to do is, you have to write the alphabetical position. C is 3, E is 5, G is 7, F is 6, H is 8, and J is 10. I is 9, K is 11, M is 13, and L is, so 3, 5, 7, 6, 8, 10, 9, 11, 13, and then this is 12, 14, and 16. Okay. Now what I could see is, so 3, 6, 3, 3, 6, 6, 3, 9, 9, 3, 12. 5, 3, 8, 8, 3, 11, 11, 3, 14. 7, 3, 10, 10, 3, 13, 13, 3, 16. So now next will be what? 13. Okay. So 12 plus 3 will be what? 15. 14 plus 3 will be what? 17. 16 plus 3 will be 19. So basically 3, 3, 3 it will increase. So 15 is O, 17, Queen is 17, and S is 19. OQS, option B will become the correct answer. So this is just the alphabetical position. So we could see 3, 5, 7, then increase 3, 3 to it. So 6, 8, 10, then increase 3, 3 to it, 9, 11, 13, then increase 3, 3 to it, 12, 14, 16, and then increase 3, 3 to it, 15, 17, 19. Clear? Okay. Next question. Sneha is walking towards the west. So friends, whenever you are dealing with direction problem, so you have to make this basic diagram here. NESW. Clear? So Sneha is walking towards the west from its home. So Sneha, west is this direction. Okay. So Sneha is walking 20 meters. Sneha is walking towards the west. West is this side from his home. This is nothing but Sneha home. After walking 20 meters, so basically she takes a right turn and walks for 12 meters. Now, so friends, right and left will be always a confusion. So keep in mind, if it is clockwise, it will be right. And if it is anti-clockwise, then it will be left. So here we see, she takes a right turn. So put your pen point here. So clockwise will be right. So right side, she is going for 12 meter. So this side nothing but it is 12 meter. Clear? Fine. And then again takes a right turn and walks for 20 meter. Again put your pen point here. Right side 20 meter means, so it will be nothing but this side. Okay? 20 meters of parallel distance. So this is nothing but 20 meter. Finally, she takes a left turn. So finally she takes a left turn and walks for 25 meter. So again put your pen point here. Clockwise will be left and clockwise will be right and anti-clockwise will be left. So finally takes, see, put your pen point here. This is clockwise means right. Anti-clockwise means left. So finally takes a left turn and walks for 25 meter. That means this is 25 meters. So now she is here. So you have to tell, and then she is reaching the school. So in which direction is the school from her home? Okay, her home. And what is the shortest distance between the school and home? So this is school and this is a total distance and this will be the only shortest distance. So how much distance is this? So this is 12 meter and this is 25. So 25 plus 12 will be 37 meters. From home you will see the school is up, that means north direction. So 37 meter north will become our answer. So option B will become the correct answer for this particular problem. Now the two questions which I am going to solve is a very good question, and let us see how we will be able to solve. Lot of learnings will be there in this particular question. So A and B started around a circular track. So circular track means, suppose this is a circular track. A and B started around a circular track in the same direction with a speed of, so A speed is 16 km per hour and B speed is 14 km per hour. They meet at the starting point after again 16 minutes 48 seconds. So basically, see, on a circular track, if A and B both are starting at the same position, right? So definitely, see, A will complete one round like this, B will complete one round. So some point of time they will be meeting because their speed is, one speed is less, one speed is more. So definitely they will be meeting it at some point of time. And they are meeting, they have what they have said. So they meet at the starting point. So this point, they will be meeting after how much time? Sir, 16 minutes and 48 seconds. Okay. See, all your options are in second, minute. Okay. So what we will do, we will convert it to seconds only. So 16 into 60, 1 minute 60 second plus 48 second. 960 plus 48, it will be nothing but 8, 6, 4, 10, 9, 1, 10. So 1008 second. After 1008 second, the 1008 second, they will meet. This is the information they have given. They're asking what is the difference in the time taken by B and A to complete one round. Now suppose length of the track is L. So what is the time taken by A? So time taken by A will be length divided by speed. A speed is, see, distance will be equal to speed into time. So time will be distance by speed. So L divided by 16 km per hour. We don't want anything into kilometer per hour because everything is in the options is in the seconds and all. So let us convert into meter per second. So 16 into 5 by 18. 2 9 ja and 2 4 ja. So it will be nothing but 2 16, right? So 2 8 ja and 2 9 ja. Okay. So 9 will go up. So 9L divided by 40. This is time taken by A, and time taken by B. Length divided by 14 into 5 by 18. So 2 7 ja and 2 9 ja. So it will be nothing but 9L divided by 35. 9L divided by 35. Clear? Okay. So time taken by A and time taken by B. So that is what you have to calculate. This is a difference we have to calculate. 9L by 40 minus 9L divided by 35 is equals to what? Or you can keep the time 35 here. It does not matter if you are getting a negative value. Okay. So this is what we have to find it out. Now, for finding this out, we definitely need the value of L. So one more thing you see in the question they are telling. So they are meeting after this much of time. So in a normal question where they say, like suppose A, takes suppose 10 minutes and B suppose take 20 minutes. After how much time they will meet? So we will have to take the LCM, right? See the similar question where one more question I will do, traffic light. So red light, after every 5-second red light appears, after every 10-second green light appears, after every 15-second yellow light appears. Okay, so yellow, red and green. So at what time they will be able to blink together? So what we do, we take the LCM of the time. So here also we will take the LCM of the time, but taking the LCM of the time will be little challenging because it's in, basically you can say fraction. Now, so fraction, how we calculate? So LCM of A by B comma C by D, this is again one of the bonus point learning, will be nothing but LCM of AC and then HCF of BD. HCF of BD. Correct? So LCM of AC will be what? So 9L, LCM will be 9L only. And what will be HCF of 35 and 40? So LCM of 35 and 40 HCF. See 35 and 40 HCF will be what? This will be 5 into 7. This will be 5 into 8. So highest value which is common, 5. So this is nothing but 5. So after 9L by 5, so after 9L by 5, they will be able to meet. So this is nothing but the time, and they are already telling that they are meeting after 1008. So 9, 11 times 99 and 9 2s are, L will be nothing but 560 meter. So we got L is equals to 560 meter. Put it here, you will be able to get the answer. So 9 into 560 divided by 35 and 9 into 560 divided by 40. 9 you can take common. So here 7 5 ja and 7 8 ja and 5 16 times. So 9 you take common, 16 minus, and here 14 times. So 14. So 9 into 2, 18 second. 18 second is the answer. So the problem is not very lengthy, but there are many things are there which you have to keep in mind. These are very good level of problem. And if you're also preparing for TCS and all, then this kind of problems are very much expected. So it's a standard problem, good problem, and there is no other way where you will be able to solve the problem in a very easier way because there are a lot of options has been given. Now last question. A and B started a business with a total investment of rupees 1 lakh. So what I will do, so total profit I will assume here, because you have to find out the total profit. Total profit is X. And then investment of A, I will assume small a. Investment of B, I will assume small b. They are telling total investment is nothing but 100K. Okay, 1 lakh at the end of the year. Due to a calculation error, the profit share of A and B got interchanged. Okay. So here it is not Q, it is B and A. Actually, what I have done, I'll tell you some differences you might be able to see. The reason is, if you take the exact questions of exams, you might get copyright strike. So that is the reason some data has been changed. So here, like, the data was not completely changed. So I'm changing it here. So this is nothing but B. Okay, B. Fine. So then what they're telling, at the end of the year, due to a calculation error, the profit share of A and B got interchanged, and B received 4,000 less than what he actually should get, and A got 50% more than what he should get. Find the total profit they have earned. Now, so what is the profit of A? So profit of A will be nothing but total profit, and then so investment of A is A and divided by A plus B. So this will tell you the profit of this is a formula. See, if the total actually investment into time, right, this you know, correct, is nothing but the profit ratio, so time is same, 1 year, so cancelled. So your profit ratio will be nothing but your investment ratio. Okay, so here total profit is this, and investment will be what? So investment done by A divided by the total A plus B. What will be the profit of B? So X into B, investment done by B divided by the total investment divided by total profit, basically, because investment and profit ratio will be same here. Fine. Now what they are telling, see, A and B profit is interchanged. So what is the B profit now? So B profit A will be this, X into A divided by A plus B, which is actually 4,000 less than B profit. So B profit is X into B divided by A plus B minus 4,000. This is my one equation. Then second, what they are telling, what will be the A profit? So A profit is interchanged with B. So X into B divided by A plus B, which is actually 50% more than what he should get. So A should get how much? This much profit, but after interchanging, he is getting 50% more. So divided by A plus B, and if there is 50% more, add it to 100 and divide by 100. This is what I have taught you. So this is nothing but 1.5. So X into B divided by A plus B. Okay, so one more thing you see, so this and this got cancelled, X and it got cancelled, so B will be A into 1.5. Now there is one more equation, this is a star equation. So I can put B is equals to A plus 1.5, A is equals to 1,100,000. So 2.5 A will be 100,000. So A will be nothing but 40,000 here. So B will be what? So B will be nothing but 60,000, because total is 1 lakh. Now put the same in this equation, you will be able to get the value of this X. So X into this particular equation, A is what? 40,000 and divided by total is 1 lakh. So I can directly write 4 by 10 is equals to X into B. B is 60,000. See, if you write 60,000 by 1 lakh, it will give you 6 by 10 minus 4,000. Then 6x minus 4x, 2x by 10 will be equal to 4,000. 2 will divide this by 2 times, so x will be equal to 20,000. So total profit is nothing but 20,000. This is again a very good question. See, if you understand that, you can't say this is a tough question. It will take 1 minute or maybe little more than 1 minute. But you should practice all this kind of question. It's not like you can ignore the question. See, easy problem will be also there, difficult problem will be also there, and that's how the questions will be asked in the examination. Okay, so it's not like you are going to get very straightforward questions. Okay, all questions will be straightforward. There'll be some question will be straightforward, some questions will be little tricky, but Deloitte hires, right? So Deloitte hires less number of candidate, so you have to be very careful. You have to score as much as possible, and these are the you can practice more number of questions from this particular website. The link will be given in the video description itself. Thank you, take care, and all the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video, and I request all of you, please stop blaming others. Okay, instead of that, try to understand what exactly happened. Okay, because see, we also want you to get a job, right? It's not like I I want you, you should not get a job or something like that. We don't want that here. If you get a job, we will be the happiest person. So we are telling you what exactly is asked by company. Now, if company has some internal parameters, right? If they are keeping some kind of parameter that if you have applied for N11, you won't be selected. If you are, if your resume does not have these things, then you won't be selected. In that, we can't do anything. See, you can only put your skills, certifications, and all those things. See, it's the same resume. For one person it is selected, another person it is rejected. Now, that means they have some criteria that in this college we have to take this many number of students, shortlist. So all those things will be there. So please try to understand. Thank you.